video should be watched right after you do the VLANing video, because where that ends is fully functional VLANs, but there's an assumption there, of course, that you have something handing out IP addresses on each of the networks that you create. Now, if you don't, then this video is for you, but if you do, then you don't want to be setting up 2 DHCP servers on the same network. You'll have all sorts of headaches. Okay, so if you go to Services and DHCP Server, you pick the network that you want to enable it on. It's very simple. You enable it there, and you pick your range, 10, 1, 100, 100, 10, 1, 100, 200, and you hit save. Now, the only way that would go wrong is if that range was outside the range that this interface was on. So if this interface is 10, 1, 100, 254, then this is absolutely fine. But if this was on a different network, if the interface was on a different network, then this simply wouldn't work. So just be aware of that. Also, if you're using DHCP, a centralized DHCP server, say a Windows server, and that likes to run DNS and DHCP. So what you would probably do there is set up a DHCP relay. Now, we can't do that at this point because this device is doing DHCP as a server. So we'd have to go back to DHCP server, disable it on all interfaces, go back to DHCP relay, enable it, and specify the DHCP Windows server on the other network that you want to use. Now, you do have to have an interface of the pfSense in the Windows server's network. And something very strange I came across just recently is that the Windows server seems to need to be able to access the network that you're handing out DHCP on. I would have thought it'd be a relay, but it seems that there's something else going on there. At least that was in the network that I was dealing with. Maybe something else fishy was going on. Anyway, that's it for DHCP. Thank you very much.